In this video I will give a short overview of the game we created for the study step workshops. When the player enters the game, he enters the tutorial. In this tutorial, all the buttons around here are explained to the player. We will quickly go through it, and then we will enter the first quest. It's buy 24 potatoes, just to start to learn the mechanics. Then we enter shop, we can buy those potatoes. When we hold the mouse, it gets much faster instead of just clicking every time. Then we complete the quest and we can go back and we get a reward. This time it's money, so we get more money. Then the next quest will be open the inventory. We open the inventory, we can see the potatoes right here that we bought just then. And then we can claim this and we got more money. And then the next quest is to plant those seeds, and so on and so on. Here is farmer Theo, and on the other side we have farmer Lisa. And Lisa has other types of quests. And Theo and Lisa have different types of farming mechanisms, and in this way we let students learn those types of mechanisms. Right here we also have the tractor, and we can use it to plant those seeds. At the start the tractor is not unlocked yet. It will be unlocked through the quest, but right now it's shown to showcase it. Right here we have the Plantpedia, in which all the plants are shown with information about those plants. We also have the health of the field. Right now you can see the default values, but it will change depending on what is growing in the field and how healthy the field is. We also have a resource tree. In this resource tree, players can unlock, for example, right, this is the growth speed of the carrots, and it's for different plants. Apart from that, we also have the microbiome. The microbiome we can show right here, and we press on a field. It shows a quick explanation, and then, well, we only have potatoes right now, but if we change it with more plants, it will give other types of bacteria as well. And then now the potatoes are grown, we can harvest it like so. And when we first harvest it, the player is also shown the Plantpedia with the information about this plant. Then we can harvest the rest of them, and they also appear in the inventory